Alright, so you've decided to do carpet tiles, and these are a great choice, by the way. They are rubber backed and they just look the part as well. Easily hoovered, you can walk all over them, and they're just a good doer. But how do you fit a carpet tile, you may ask, and that's why you're here. Now on the back they should have arrows to show you which way the pile goes, so you want to follow the pile, and just in this case we'll just make sure the arrows point towards the window. As easy as that. We start in the corner and we'll give you a couple of options. So you can either go straight in and straight in, push them together and hope that they don't move around a lot. Now if you are in an active area, I always recommend using just a little bit of duct tape, and as easy as it sounds, put into the corners and it will just hold it nice and firmly in place. Now we repeat this pattern all the way, keep duct taping, and it'll look $1 million. If you're on a wooden floor like this, and this is a big log cabin, so the floor, it's not thermal at all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a thermal layer under it, and then we'll go ahead and put the carpet tiles on top. And we'll give you a little bit of a time lapse of this so you can see what I'm doing. The thermal layer, you don't have to do this, but I had this left over from another job, so we may as well use it up and put it throughout the flooring. And then when it comes to the end of the line, we need to just measure and cut this. And it's a simple case of getting a Stanley knife, scoring across the back, and snapping the tile and cutting it. And make a simple cut, so measure and cut. And now it's just a case of going back the other way, take them into position and just keep repeating. And that's it, just rinse and repeat. Keep on going all the way down until you finish a room. It's feeling warmer already, they're looking beautiful. It's an easy job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.